Now, where an expensive African gray parrot is on the loose after escaping a Gustav-damaged cage in White Castle. Its owner, a speech therapist, taught the bird named Jojo 2 languages and uses the bird to help stroke patients speak. As WAP's Jim Shannon reports, Jojo may regret her decision to fly off. Come on!
This is Jojo the Parrot on the land. She's 5 years old and speaks English and Spanish. Her owner, Kathy Hendrick, was distraught as she tried to coax Jojo back to her cage. She used Jojo's brother as bait.
Come on!
Jojo was spotted a few blocks from her home. She's been free for 2 days. Neighborhood volunteers tried to nab Jojo.
And I'll tell you what, LSU wouldn't help me, fire department wouldn't help me, animal control wouldn't help me, police department wouldn't help me, my neighbors wouldn't help me, but these precious people came out of their houses for nothing to help me.
Oh, there he goes.
He just comes back. You think they're gonna get dehydrated and fall off? Jojo! Come on to mama!
White Castle Police Department and City couldn't do the legislation.
If the volunteers couldn't talk Jojo down, their efforts to bring him down included a stick, an orange,
There's two things birds are scared of. Loud noises, sudden movements.
a water hose,
Cut the water hose.
and a net.
There he is!
He's moving right now.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, these people have just all come rallied to me. Come on!
And I have to smile about that, but this is the part of the show where they throw away the script, because just moments ago, the owner of Jojo, and her name is Kathy Hendricks, called up and said Jojo is now safe and sound and back in his bird cage. She credits a gentleman, and all she said was he was in an orange vest for getting Jojo back down. So it was an interesting dynamic to watch the volunteers help. And,
Yeah, I'm wondering about the condition of that volunteer.
Jojo!
it was quite interesting.
Come
He
home,
is safe and sound.
Jojo!
Just found out just a few moments ago, so it all turns out good.